How to use ChatGPT to do scientific research. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can assist with scientific research by providing information on various topics, answering questions, and suggesting relevant resources. Here are some steps to use ChatGPT to do scientific research. 1. Define the research question. Start by defining the research question you want to investigate. This will help you focus your search and ensure that the information you gather is relevant to your research. 2. Conduct a literature search. Use ChatGPT to search for relevant articles, books, and other resources related to your research question. You can provide specific keywords or phrases related to your topic and ask for relevant publications. 3. Evaluate sources. As you find sources, evaluate their credibility and relevance to your research question. Ask ChatGPT for a summary of a source and its credentials to determine if it is a reputable source. 4. Extract and organize information. Once you have found relevant sources, use ChatGPT to extract and organize information from them. You can ask for specific information or insights on the topic you are researching. 5. Analyze and interpret data. Use ChatGPT to help you analyze and interpret the data you have gathered. You can ask for explanations of complex concepts or statistical analyses to help you understand the data. 6. Communicate findings. Finally, use ChatGPT to help you communicate your findings. You can ask for guidance on how to structure your paper or presentation, or for help summarizing your results. Remember that ChatGPT can only provide information based on the data it has been trained on, so it is important to verify the accuracy and relevance of any information you gather using other sources and experts in your field. Here are some reputable sources that discuss performing scientific research: National Institutes of Health, NIH, Designing and Conducting Scientific Research. This resource provides guidance on designing and conducting scientific research, including identifying research questions, selecting study designs, collecting and analyzing data, and communicating results. It also offers tips for ensuring the validity and reliability of research findings. National Science Foundation, NSF, The Scientific Method. This resource provides an overview of the scientific method, which is a systematic approach to research that involves developing hypotheses, collecting data, and testing hypotheses using statistical analyses. It also discusses the importance of replication and peer review in scientific research. American Psychological Association, APA, Ethical Principles of Psychologists and Code of Conduct. This resource provides guidelines for ethical conduct in scientific research, including informed consent, confidentiality, and the protection of research participants from harm. It also discusses issues related to authorship, data sharing, and conflicts of interest. Nature, How to Design an Excellent Experiment. This article provides tips for designing a well-controlled and rigorous scientific experiment, including defining clear research questions, selecting appropriate controls, and minimizing bias. It also discusses common pitfalls and challenges in experimental design. The Scientist, 10 Tips for Good Research Design. This article provides practical advice for designing a research study, including defining research questions, selecting appropriate methods, and avoiding common errors. It also discusses the importance of transparency, reproducibility, and statistical power in scientific research. All of these sources provide valuable guidance on performing scientific research, from identifying research questions and designing experiments to collecting and analyzing data and communicating results. They also emphasize the importance of ethical conduct and rigorous standards in scientific research.